Hello and welcome to the Lansweeper training. Whether you just purchased Lansweeper or you're still in your trial phase, this is where you can find all the basics that you need to get started with Lansweeper and to understand the fundamentals that make Lansweeper. Now, to start off, we're going to go back to the origin story of Lansweeper, where Lansweeper isn't just another tool that was created to capture a specific market or to create the one big item tool that is out there. Lansweeper starts with a sysadmin. The original founder was a system administrator who actually created the tool to make his own work easier, to get an inventory of his local network. Obviously, over time, it has grown. We've added many features to where it is today. Now, this beginner course, I do assume that you have a basic IT knowledge, so you know what an IP address is, what a local area network is, those kind of things. So with that being said, let's go over to the next video where we'll discuss more of the Lansweeper terminology.